Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
Hello good people, and it's a bright morning here. The sun is out. This is Nairobi City, and welcome back to Shifting News. Today we are at this side of OTC within Nairobi City, and you can see lots of public vehicles around this area, and this is along the Racecourse road. So when walking along these roads or streets within Nairobi, you must be extra careful. So we are going to join the Uyoma Street. So when you go like this, you'll be joining Avenue. This is along Uyoma Street. It takes you to Ronald Ngala Street near the RNG Plaza. I think from afar you can see it. That is the RNG in full. That is Ronald Ngala. So we are moving along the streets. This is almost downtown. Not almost downtown. This is downtown. And we shall be showcasing different streets along there. That is the Tembo Road. So we won't be proceeding with the Uyoma Street. Let us divert. This is the bus station, the famous BS area. So you can comment, you tell us what you think about the setting in Nairobi, about the population and all the settings around within this capital city. Over there, that is the Afya Centre house, the green. So when you're moving, you have to mind about the vehicles, about the people. This is the BS area where you can get vehicles to Karen, like this Naboka. Vehicles heading all the way to South B. and also Langata area, Barracks, St. Mary's. Yes, different vehicles heading to different places. You can find them here in BS, and also we have different businesses along this area. So this road, once you come from the BS area, you head to Pango Street, where we also have what do we call them, businesses, stores with different setups. I know most of you, especially those who have visited Nairobi, they understand Pango Street very well, or those who use vehicles flying the route to Western, to North Rift, to Eldoret, you can find them somewhere there. And this is the Pango Street. When you head like this, it will take you to Ronald Ngala Street, and this way, that is the Afya Centre house, the green tall building, and also different establishments. You can see different vehicles flying different routes, like this heading to Busia, this one heading to Eldoret and Kitale. So Nairobi is a hive of different activities, different operations. So you just need to understand what you want in Nairobi. You can see the Afya Centre. And finally, we get to the area. This is the revamped Tomoya Street. So we'll be using Tomoya Street. Remember, this is the Afya Centre house. And you also have other buildings on the other side. So right now we join the Tomoya Street, and you can see how busy the town is. Street photography there. And this is the revamped. You can see the well-laid cabros, people enjoying the breeze. Though in most of our videos, people have commented, they have said, I think there needs to be seriousness within our authorities. So Harambee Avenue is somewhere there. So here you can find vehicles to Ngong Road, to Ngong, Karen, here Route 23, heading to Civil Servant. Yes, and this is, you can say, the new, but you can see there is more dust, meaning cleaning doesn't happen on a daily basis, most likely. But we hope there are plans to make sure that these streets, the cleanness is maintained. Though when you come to the downtown area, sometimes it becomes hectic, especially for movements. Lots of people, lots of traffic, vehicles. So you find yourself colliding with people, colliding with vehicles. And we also have some of our followers who have said that Nairobi needs proper planning. It doesn't match the standards. And also in our previous video, while we were heading to the routes of Kitisuru, Gashia, we had one of our followers who said that Nairobi from the sky looks different. But when you come on the ground, there is also an ultimate different setting. So probably we'll be doing a review, maybe from the sky, to see the difference. I'm on Mboya Street, shall be crossing, and this is the Ronald Ngala Junction.
Shifting news.
You can see this
Explore,
is the
feel,
revamped
shift.
Ronald Ngala. I don't know if it's the weather that makes Nairobi have a lot of dust like we can be seeing here along this road. But generally, we applaud the administration for the good work. If it's good, some of the changes, and also we advise or we request them to ensure that cleanliness and more maintenance is improved. And also the green cover needs to be checked upon, because if you don't have trees, you find the city is so chaotic. Now about the environment conservation, it becomes a challenge. So we need also to come up with measures that are geared towards environmental conservation. And right now we are on this road is the Moi Avenue. Initially, during the colonial eras, it was called the Government Road, and this is the Kencom area. So we can just pan to see how the city is. The Karanda tree is there. We also have Lazarus Inn. By the way, Sabina Joy is somewhere there. I hope most of for the party goers, Sabina Joy is just near the Lazarus Inn. And that's the outlay of Nairobi from the downtown area, started from the BS. So if you are visiting us for the first time, you are welcome to this family. Subscribe, like this video, comment, ensure that you come up with the insights that will help us grow, and also tell us maybe some of the areas that you'll need us to do a coverage. So we'll be crossing on the other side to join the City Hall Way. So as we said, when you're moving, you have to mind about people, you have to mind about vehicles. So this is the Kencom area, and this one here, this is the City Hall Way, and this is the former Hilton Hotel, the building that was vacated. And right now, when you go to the the ground floor, you will find stalls and different businesses. I don't know about the upper floors if we have occupancy. And you can also see the area around here. Those metal roads have been removed. I don't know what is happening, if there are plans to make improvements. So this is the Hilton International House. This is the Kencom. When you go like this, you head to the KICC area, Supreme Court, and those places. So thank you for having been with us. Thank you for the continued support. Interact with us, comment, and enjoy the video always. Thank you, and see you in our next video.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.